A lot of people are coming to Texas now from all over the United States. Half of the white Southern immigrants are from the Upper South, and the other half came from what is called the Lower South. The Upper South region includes Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania, Missouri, and the Ohio River Valley. The Ohio River Valley includes the southern parts of Ohio, Illinois, and Indiana. Slavery was common in much of the Upper South, though many of the people who came from here weren't slaveholders, and they didn't like slavery. In fact, some of the farmers left their homes to get away from the slave plantations with which they could not complete. Lots came from the forest and hill country. They moved to the eastern part of the region, and the rest moved to the central prairie. These immigrants were not very wealthy. They started with growing corn. They lived in log cabins they built themselves. The other half of the white Southern immigrants came from the Lower South. This region includes South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Many of them came from the regions where plantations were common. Many held enslaved African Americans. Slaveholders often were wealthy, although most of their wealth consisted of the land they owned. Slaveholders built plantations along the Texas coast. The climate and soil there were well suited for large-scale growth of cotton. Cotton became the major industry in Texas. People from the same state often gathered in the same areas in Texas.